guys, it's me, Sheena, and my friend
Marie.
and now we're making slime. We bought it just today. Yeah, we took time, and let's just get on to the video. So first, what you will need is something to mix in, something to mix with, your solution. This is eventually Filipino style.
Oh,
So you can you have this one. I didn't open mine. Glue. We decided to use the gel because after you do it, it's gonna be clear when you stretch it. So that one, and some designs.
extra.
Don't say it's Marie's secret.
It's
And
extra.
something to put in after you make your slime.
My foot hurts.
You can use a Ziploc or something like that. Marie, why did you do that? You're mean.
Sorry.
Okay, let's get started. So first, we will open the glue. She opened hers already. She's too excited to wait.
Go.
Okay. Okay, that one. Just pour in your glue.
No, I won't finish. Maybe it will be epic.
Fail.
Can I borrow your spoon first?
Okay. Now you can also add a bit of water because it's gel, so it's hard. And we have a water here, and we also have towels because we're still wearing the same outfit. Okay, now I'm just gonna shake this. Not yet, Marie.
I'm done
You're so
mixing it.
excited.
I'm done mixing it.
Okay, now you put water on your. So this will be my second batch. I'm gonna make a second batch. Marie, why are you always using my? See, look what happened. Okay, now this is not all, but you just stir it. Make sure it will be sticky, huh?
Yeah.
If it's not sticky, oh sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna use this, huh?
No.
Okay. Where's the scissors?
Can you pass it?
I don't know where she put the scissors. So I got the scissors, and now I'm just gonna open this. I'm gonna add a bit.
What the fuck to my hands?
Okay.
Wait. Can I borrow your spoon first?
Again?
Yeah.
You can just pour it a bit.
Oh, I can use this.
She was using the cup of the glue. Now you put your
Oh,
solution, like what I'm doing now, and mix it. Not to add too much because if you want to add the glitters and those stuff, you can make sure it's sticky. So we're just gonna continue until this is slime but sticky. So it's a bit turned. That's my second batch. It's turning a bit into slime, as you can see. So maybe now it's okay to add your glitter. Hers is nice because she has an ocean mermaidy thing. But mine, I don't have like that. Because I chose it myself. I didn't want blue and green. I don't know what I was thinking. But now I'm gonna open this and hope that it's not gonna be a big mess. So now I'm gonna put some.
It's not. It's like a koal.
What? Again, is your compliment?
Nothing.
I think you have
Say
a bad.
look at. I have only small slime.
She has a lot. It's just in the
No,
glue.
it's just small. You trust in me.
And don't trust her.
You trust in me. You're so mean,
So that
guys.
one. Hey, don't say that to my subscribers. You're mean.
Oh, you're so pretty, guys. And handsome and
now
kind
I'm gonna
and
put. It depends on you when you're gonna. Hey! Don't, you're making a mess in my head. I'm gonna put this. Oh, what the fudge is that?
it's cockroach. Can you kill that?
No, you give.
So
Okay, so here I'm adding already. But I'm still gonna add some solution because this is not yet done. And some more glitter, of course. I'm gonna add a lot of solution. Not a lot, but I hate that thing. Oh, there's a bug. There's a bug. Ah, what's that?
it's a bug.
Don't scare me, Maria. I will really shout.
You shout. I don't care for shout. Okay, maybe all the unit will go out watch.
There's a bug. Wouldn't be afraid of that bug flying bug. Maria. Now just keep adding your solution until it is.
Can you put some solution in my slide?
If there's
my hands?
gel, if it's gel, it needs a lot of solution. So, yep. I'm gonna come back if it's already slime.
Ayo.
Okay, so now it is. It is turning into slime.
Lucky for her because she knows everything how to make slime.
No, you did put it to your hands.
I know, but you know everything how to make slime.
No, at first it was a lot of epic fails, Marie.
Yeah, because it's your first time, but now see what's happening.
Yeah, it's also your first time. I was even patient. With all the glue I wasted, I just was patient. Now I'm scared if I'm gonna make slime. So it makes poking sounds, and I love poking sounds. You can add, I will make an update to this. It is not totally that slime. Oops. I'm gonna add more. Ariel. Batch 2. I don't know what will happen to batch 2. Because this needs a lot of
I need.
Solution.
What's happening to her?
The gel
She's stuck.
the gel needs a lot of solution. I promise. So I guess what
Look
is
at what happened to. Oh, okay.
what the
But it's
you're showing them your favorite partner.
Look at the. It was sticky.
So hers is turning good.
But bad, not good.
Good because it was bad, and now it's turning good.
It's bad.
Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. Ooh.
Yay, my mom is here. Only 2 of us inside the house. What else?
Okay, I'm gonna mix this until it's not sticky anymore. So now it's slime. I added more in case. Added a lot of glitter.
Where's the scissors?
You just put some things in me.
Where's my scissors?
There! You're not looking properly.
Where?
Marie,
Where?
you're not even looking.
I am. Where?
Under your plate.
Where?
Under your plate!
Where?
Under your plate!
Where?
Ambot ni mo eh.
Here.
It's there. You're not looking.
Here.
So, I added a lot. So hers gonna turn good because it's like a mermaid. And mine is just like plain, bad, boring.
It's not my fault. It's her fault.
I know I chose this white. I don't know why I chose the white. Because I'm not really a big fan of, green. I'm a big fan of it when I'm mad. Because it makes me relax. And now I'm gonna add.
Relax, mom.
Relax ka muna. I'm gonna add.
It's like my slime is like I don't know. But
She has more glue, see? That's why she has her slime is very few because she has a lot of glue.
I just put one a little.
Because she's scared if she's gonna epic fail it.
Yeah. Because today's my first time. No.
Not first time. We did
How
it
many
a lot.
times I make my slime, but it's epic. That's why.
Epic fail, you mean?
Oh
I
yeah.
got the fail. So, oh my gosh, what's this? It went to my slime. So I'm just gonna mix it until it's not sticky anymore, and I'm gonna do my second batch.
Also me.
Hey guys, so I did my next batch. So I put some of Marie's, you know. So this is the next batch. This was the one left in the glue. I add water, so it's like this.
Mine is, I have still second batch. This is still my first batch.
And she doesn't have any more solution.
I have.
Look how many solutions she's got. Look how many glue. Look, I don't have any solution anymore. Just for these two.
I added because it's so sticky. She said, Baya, if it is sticky, you need to add solution.
Yeah, of course, guys. Because she kept on kneading it, but it's still not turning into slime.
What's happened to her, right?
So I'm gonna do the poking sounds later. I have that too. Look at here. There's one, and here's the other one, which is green. Oh yeah, sure. It's not mine though. It's yours. Okay. Change angle. Change of angles. Now we're here. Ooh. After in a while, I put a white glitter here. After a while, it will turn into clear when you stretch it. I don't think mine will be clear because look, it's all covered in white glitter. But at least it is stretchy, so because I little by little, not really, because I was getting a little impatient and worried. So I'm just gonna keep on stretching this one. This one. So I'm gonna do better the next time. I was just impatient and running out. Now for the next one. So I'm gonna get this one. It's a bit few. It's few only for this one. The second batch, but I love the second batch.
I don't care what they say.
I guess this.
I'm gonna come back like a boomerang.
Okay, Marie.
Oh, wow, oh, I'm not yet ready.
Yeah, I'm ready now. So, ooh, it's a bit liquidy. I need more solution, so I'm gonna put a bit more solution. And if you add lotion, that's good, but don't put too much. And also, it's nice. Whoops. I'm gonna add more solution, and it's nice because it will make it have a lot of poking sounds and make it stretchy. So just wait. Putting some solution. Oops. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Make sure not to go there. Ooh, hope this doesn't be an epic fail. So I'm gonna. You know, Maria, I'm having a video. I'm gonna.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna pause this. I'm quite scared. Ooh, yeah. Okay, now for the poking sounds. It's better. Now if I add a lotion,
So
but not load.
Is my
You can come. Oh my gosh! What in
Can you
the
off the light?
world? That was not her slime.
Gina, can you off the light?
Hi guys. So yeah, it's gonna be clear. It's clear. So see, it's when you stretch it more, it's gonna be clear. So thank you guys for watching. Bye. See you in another video. Like, subscribe down below. Good night.